Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the solution to why doesn't the keyboard showing in your Google Docs. So if you're facing this problem, you just need to watch this video. I'll give you the solutions. So if you open a document or a file in Google Docs, let's say I want to open this file right here. So if you open the file, you can't see the keyboard. As you can see, if you just open the file, you can't see the keyboard. And if you want to make the keyboard appear, you can just click on the pencil icon in here at the bottom. Just click on that, and after that the keyboard will be appear also in the screen like this. And if you want to, just you can also make some adjustment or some text in here, edit your file in here. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.